In this video, we're going to look at the present continuous. Okay, so we're going to look at rules and example sentences for beginners. So how do you form the present continuous? So use I plus the verb to be in the present, I am, and you use play, the verb, plus ing. I am playing, and then you are playing, he is playing, she is playing, we are playing, and they are playing. Okay, so if you take another verb like do, then you just add ing. I am doing, you are doing, so you just add ing to the main form of the verb. Okay, so when do you use the present continuous? So things happening now or near now. Okay, so right now I am recording a video. I am recording a video. You are watching a video. Okay, and plans in the future, especially with other people. Okay, so I am meeting my parents for dinner. Okay, it's in the future, but it's a plan, so that's when we use the present continuous. Okay, let's look at how to make negative sentences in the present continuous. So we use not for negative sentences. Okay, I am not playing tennis. I am not traveling to Denmark. Notice where not is positioned. So I am not. I am not doing that. And for questions, we invert the verb to be for questions. So remember, we have I am, so it will be am I. Okay, so here we have some examples here. Are you playing tennis? Am I traveling to Denmark? So we invert the am and the I to make the question. So let's look at some examples here. I am speaking English now. Yes, it's true. And I am learning Spanish. Okay, so do you remember I said it's something happening now or near now? So it's like it's in the process, right? I'm not learning Spanish right now at this minute. But in general, in my life, I am learning Spanish now. Okay? And some plans in the future. So I am playing tennis next week. Okay, it's more common to use the present continuous here because you play tennis with other people, okay, usually. And I am meeting my parents for dinner this evening, let's say. So it's in the future and we use the present continuous.